I've actually never done a full white face, so this will be very exciting. Yeah, so pro tip, if you're gonna do stupid shit like paint your whole ass face white, but you don't want to spend a bunch on setting powder, you just go to the grocery store and you buy baby powder. And you get a shit ton more for the same price, and it's literally exactly the same. Reached a point where if there is excess powder somewhere on my face, I have no idea. Can't see it. Well, that didn't really do anything for me. I am an eyebrow goblin. And while I love them in my day-to-day life, it causes me problems sometimes. Oh, that's too much. I regret that. Oh, it's turning pink. Maybe I should have just, like, taken a brush and painted it on, like a reasonable human. Go for a second layer now that I am older and wiser. Turns out applying things in thin, even coating is not a bad plan. I am Wirt's ghost. Let's see where this goes. I'll be like that. Well, the only thing I have that even slightly resembles the angel's costume is just like a regular button-up shirt, so we're gonna just... like a bird doing this. That's appropriate for Alegria, there's a lot of birds. I do kind of look just like a weird clown. I don't know if the waistcoat helps or not. It's Victorian AU. I didn't think that just a regular ass curled wig was gonna give the same kind of effect as the real actual headpieces they use, whatever they're made of. But like, I didn't think it would be that bad. He is a beautiful acrobatic man, and me? I'm just a sad clown boy. Oh, it turns out there's absolutely no curls on his forehead at all. Like, and now I just look even more like George Washington. I tried my best, I promise. Just happened to have a wig that was white, and I was like, hey, I can curl that, and maybe it'll look sort of accurate. Oh. Like, this looks better, honestly. Like a bleach rainbow afro wig. Huh? Hello! We have a guest. You think I'm pretty?